What are this year's Chelsea Sanctuary Gardens? Burma, Skincare Initiative Spirit of Partnership Garden. The story of the Global Dermatological Partnership, which supports Burmese healthcare workers treating adults and children with skin conditions, is told throughout Helen Olney's naturalistic garden design. Inside the space, a traditional Burmese stilt house, constructed from recycled timber, offers a lovely view of a cascading waterfall, whilst other areas of the garden are reclaimed and overgrown by foliage, a symbolic illustration of the disrupted environments that the charity operates in. The flood-resilient garden, a family garden that can bounce back from heavy period of rainfall. Naomi Slade and Ed Barsley's design helps to reduce flood risk by dense planting, which slows water flow, and a swale forms a stream, which channels rainwater into a feature pond where it can gradually soak away. Clever and elegant solutions to challenging weather conditions. Verdant greens, striking reds, and bright oranges make up the palette of Kazuyuki Ishihara's family garden, where the theme of happiness is explored in the acers, velvety irises, mosses, and waterfalls that blend practical family life with the beauty of the natural world. The Boodle's Garden. Celebrating 200 years of the National Gallery, Catherine MacDonald has taken inspiration from some of the gallery's most coveted collections of significant artworks. The Art in Nature planting scheme abounds around sculptural metal arches and water features, nodding to pointillism and impressionism movements. The Freedom from Torture Garden, a sanctuary for survivors. This remarkable curvaceous and immersive design invites a visitor to engage in therapy within both one-to-one and group sessions within a peaceful and comforting space, and a sinuous water rill offers both irrigation for plants and encourages relaxation. World Child Cancer's Nurturing Garden. Giulio Giorgi has created a sensory haven that supports emotional well-being for children undergoing cancer treatment and their families. A scenic meadow, circular raised bed made from perforated clay blocks and soft touch plants provide a joyful, hopeful, and tactile escapism through nature.